Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how you can create a QR code that links to your Namecheap domain. It's pretty simple to do, and I'll go ahead and show you it right now. So first we have our domain that we have from Namecheap. I have evandoestech.com, and let's say we want to create a QR code that when someone takes a picture or holds their phone up to the QR code, it will link them automatically to our Namecheap domain. So the way we can do this is by using the free QR code generator by Adobe Express. I like using this generator because you don't need an account to sign up or do anything like that. You also don't need any credit card information to enter. It's completely free to use, so I like using this one. I'll have a link for this in the description as well if you want to go ahead and use it. But what we want to do is click on where it says Create Now. Then we want to actually enter in our domain name in this inbox here. Make sure you also add the HTTPS // before the domain name, because otherwise it won't register as an actual URL. So you want to make sure that you do add this at the beginning in order to get this to work properly. But once you do that, you can go ahead and click on where it says download, and you'll see it generated the QR code for us. We can also adjust the style of the QR code by going to the style section, and we can choose from these different options as well. We can also adjust the color if we want to as well. And we can also adjust the file format. So we can have it be a PNG, JPEG, or we can have it as an SVG. And we can also just right click the image and click Save Image As, or we can just copy the image if we just needed to copy it real quick. But that is how you can create a QR code for your Namecheap domain. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.